Los Angeles County reported 315 new cases of COVID-19 and 58 additional deaths on Sunday, December 20th, accompanied by another new record for hospitalizations propelled by the coronavirus. Nonetheless, a new wave of hope is expected to arrive this week in the form of the second COVID-19 vaccine, from Moderna. The numbers brings the county's totals to 623, 670 cases and 875 fatalities since the pandemic began in March. But while the daily statistics continue to show no sign that the recent surge was easing, the Western States Scientific Safety Review Work Group completed its review of the federal process and concluded the Moderna vaccine is safe for use in California, Nevada, Oregon and Washington, according to a release from California Governor Gavin Newsom. The work group provided its confirmation to the four governors Sunday morning, making the Moderna vaccine the second COVID-19 vaccine supported for use in these states. Shipments are expected early this week. While California is in some of the darkest days of our COVID-19 surge, with too many families grieving lost loved ones, there is light as more vaccines are approved for distribution, Newsom said in an emailed release. With the Moderna vaccine in circulation, we have another tool to fight this deadly disease, he said. This major step forward is welcome news to all who have experienced loss and hardship during this pandemic, those we hold in our thoughts this holiday season. The Moderna vaccine should also get into the field with fewer rigors, as it does not require the same extreme cold storage levels as the Pfizer version. As officials scrambled to get frontline workers inoculated with the initial vaccine from Pfizer, hospitals continue to be jammed. COVID-19-linked hospitalizations climbed to 549, up 32% from last Monday, when 203 were reported. And 21% are hospitalized in intensive care units, officials said. The metric for ICU availability in the 11-county Southern California region remained at 0%, according to the state dashboard. The metric doesn't necessarily mean there are no ICU beds remaining. It takes the actual percentage of remaining adult ICU beds each day and adjusts it to reflect the lopsided share of COVID-19 patients in intensive care compared to others who also need those beds for life-saving treatment and equipment, such as ventilators. It is, nonetheless, an indicator that hospitals are increasingly jammed with COVID patients. The Sunday report from the county didn't include updated numbers from Pasadena and Long Beach, which operate their own health departments. Pasadena reported 122 new cases Sunday, for a total of 619, but its death toll remained at 145. Long Beach did not post new numbers Sunday. As of Friday, the city reported 25,049 cases and 350